Many believe cracking your neck is disastrous, potentially causing strokes or severe damage. But is that true? Cracking your neck is merely the sound of gas bubbles bursting between joints, and not an indication of danger itself. Normally, occasional gentle neck cracking is harmless, though compulsive or forceful attempts could indeed stress the cervical arteries. Professional chiropractors exercise caution, ensuring manipulations safeguard against extreme force or unlikely complications. Scientific insights assure that responsible practice and listening to your comfort levels won't lead to health catastrophes.